Hey there, in today's video, I will show you how to create a Venmo account. And here is how. Step 1. Open any web browser on your screen. In the search panel, type in venmo.com and hit enter. Step 2. Once you are on the Venmo homepage, locate the login option in the top row and click on it. Step 3. You will be directed to a new page. Here, find the sign up button and click on it to start the sign up process. Step 4. Choose the type of account you want. Are you using it for personal use, a teenager, or a business? Click on the relevant category. For this example, I will choose the business category and select Get Started. Step 5. Enter your phone number on the page. Venmo will send a verification code to your phone. Step 6. Enter the verification code on the screen to confirm your phone number. Additionally, fill any other required details. Congratulations, your Venmo account is now set up and ready to go. It is that simple.